what's up? So today I'm gonna make a coffee vlog. Basically I'm gonna tell you guys how to make coffee. So in here we have milk. I got a milk in it, and this is my favorite mug. And then I have coffee. It's like 3 in 1. Wait a minute, let me turn on the light. It's 3 in 1 Nescafe, and this vlog is not sponsored. So
It's the size of the coffee.
and she's my sister Mahi, just to bother me around. Yes. And now I'm gonna mix it. Okay, just wait a minute. Basically, you have to mix it thoroughly. You can also add ice cream in it, like vanilla ice cream, because vanilla ice cream goes so well in it. I'm gonna mix it now, like sitting like this.
Vanilla ice cream is eat a lollipop.
Mine, please wait. You always tease me whenever I make a vlog. You always tease me. Can you please not tease me whenever I make a vlog?
Okay.
It's not easy, okay?
Okay.
So please.
Okay. It's ready?
It is just ready.
It's about the time.
Okay, so it's done.
Okay, let's put it
Now
in.
we're gonna add cream in it. This is all-purpose cream.
Yeah.
This is my favorite one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add a little bit. For you people who like to not add cream, it's up to you. If you wanna add cream, you can add cream in it, in the coffee to make it tastier. But for me, since I was dieting for so long, and so now I wanna add cream in it, so I'm gonna add it. Okay.
Oh, it's working.
This much is enough. Now I'm gonna mix it again. The coffee needs to be mixed.
And next one is to put the coffee.
So this is vanilla ice cream. All Walls. I love this flavor. I also like chocolate, and like mint chocolate is my favorite flavor of ice cream. My parents and my sister doesn't like the flavor because like it tastes like toothpaste. But I really love mint chocolate.
Mango is ice cream I love.
We're gonna add it at the end.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna add this. This is Choctella.
Yes. That's why you do the coffee thing. You can.
Okay, mine. Just wait a minute.
I don't know, guys, but I can't for here. It's all about it, guys. It's just the coffee. It's just coffee that make it warm.
So this is. Okay, might not be possible.
Yeah, you can do it like it's the coffee that put you. And you like it, yes.
This much of chocolate.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna add it
You can put. Of course, you can.
in here.
Now you need to mix again for. And then,
So this much is enough.
yeah,
This much is chocolate.
mix.
So now I also have ice cubes
Yeah, that's
in front
what
of me.
you put it in their eyes. Of course, you can.
Then you can add it. Or first of all, let's add ice cream.
Yeah, of
Because
course.
ice cream is the most important thing.
Yeah.
It is now mixed. Well, now we need.
You need the ice cream.
Now we're gonna add ice cream.
Yeah, a little bit. You can. A little.
This much of cube is enough.
Yeah.
You can add it. Or maybe if you wanna add more, I'm gonna cut this much. This much is enough. And there you go. It's made.
Yeah.
And if you wanna add ice cubes, you can add it. It's up to you.
Yes, you can.
And Mahi, can you please shut up?
She's a little bit.
I really hate my sister because whenever I make vlogs, she's the one to disturb me. So this is like a hate relationship.
I'm sorry.
Like
guys.
every sister relationship is like this. So
I'm sorry, guys.
Yep.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys.
now I'm gonna add
I
ice
can.
cubes.
I can.
Super small.
I can do this by myself.
Okay, so guys, I did it. I
Yeah.
made coffee. So
Yes.
like this, you can see it.
Yeah.
It has ice cubes in it. I added 7 ice cubes. I added ice cream, vanilla ice cream. And basically, this is how the recipe goes. First of all, you need milk. How much ever milk you need. Then you add this coffee mixture. This is 3-in-1 coffee. I use it really well. It's pretty good. And then you mix it thoroughly so it's mixed well. And then if you want to add more things to it, you can add this all-purpose cream or Nutella. And the additional is ice cubes, which I added. So that's all for the vlog. Hope you guys like my
Yeah.
recipe.
Yeah.
And tell me if you want any more recipes. So
Yes.
that's all for today, guys.
Yes.
Hope you like it and have
Yeah.
fun. Have a fun weekend and respect your parents and respect your elders, please.
Yeah.
And don't fight with them.
Yeah.
That's all for today. Hope you guys like the video. Bye.
Bye.
Peace.
Assalamualaikum.